So we are here for the vision board making workshop. I hope everyone has done their homework. I'm super excited for this because there's something very, very new and very impactful which we are going to learn today. And this kind of vision board has not been made by anyone. I recently attended a workshop which was by someone who is learned this art from somewhere and then taught us. So something new you'll learn today, something different than what we have been doing since years. Before we start, I'll get my old vision board also to show what all I have manifested. This was my last year's vision board, okay? And as much as we tried to be on track, I think I was not 100% on track with the vision board. So I'll be truthful of what I've achieved and what I've not achieved in this. Okay, so this was my last year vision board, which I made along with you people only. We did a workshop last year also, and where I had made this. So what all I completed is that I went on trips with Rishi for sure. I did a podcast, so that was amazing. This could not happen. Even YouTube could not happen, but I'm working on it. I'm more regular with my YouTube now. I have done this kind of session recently, the workshop, and out of these people whom I wanted to meet, this guy I could not meet, but now he's there with me on my DM. Yeah, he has DM'd me, and Lewis is his name, and I really like the way he teaches about manifestation and all these positive thinking things. So I've been following him since long, and he's in chat box with me now. He's not met me yet, but yeah, we'll be meeting soon. Okay. So vision board making, what is it? Basically, we always make goals, और उन goals को हम लोग क्लियरली जब विजुलाइज करते हैं कि एंड रिजल्ट क्या होगा दैट इज व्हाट अ गोल इज. ओके, so in vision board making we directly focus only on the end result. Okay, how is always the question to the universe. We don't have to think about it, because if we'll think about the how, we might start doubting our vision. Okay, whatever we want to manifest, we'll start doubting it. So trust the universe, because it is filled with abundance. We are not the one who. So if ever you doubt your the superpower, I'll give you a tip. Okay, the one tip which you have to believe is this big universe which you know, and now it has been proven that there are more than one universe. So if there is a superpower who is handling and taking care of all the universe, all the different realms, and if that superpower can take care of such a big universe of Earth, of all the 9 planets revolving at a particular place, at a particular speed, on a particular direction, the sun, everything is so magnificent. So if you believe that that superpower has created you, so if he or she has created you, that means you are capable enough to manifest anything and everything which you desire. Okay, so do not doubt. If you have any doubts, you can always take my one-to-one session. So here I'll just advertise myself a little bit. So what I am, why I am there in this seat to teach you vision board making. So I'm Supriya Bhasin. I am a government certified yoga therapist and a holistic wellness coach, because I just don't teach yoga. I also teach people how to live life holistically, naturally, so that you are better at what you're doing. You can heal your diseases yourself. So I truly and I believe, and it's proven scientifically also, that 99% of the diseases are psychosomatic. That is, they are caused because there is an emotion, there is a thought which you're holding in your body, and it manifests in your body as a dis-ease, as a pain, as a discomfort. And same applies for anything in our life, चाहे वो कोई relationship है, कोई friendship है, कोई हमारी situation है, चाहे वो financial है, चाहे emotional है. वो सब इसलिए क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं we have a deep rooted emotion that is manifesting it in our lives. Okay, through this principle I help people to heal themselves. I have many processes, gratitude being one of them, visualization, using your breath to heal yourself, using the lifestyle changes to heal yourself. So this is what I do, and so that is why I know I have been making vision boards since past 13 years, practicing gratitude from past 14 plus years, and that is why I know how to do it right, and I'm here to teach you. Okay, so first of all, whatever vision you have, whatever goals you have, please write down clearly. Write down on a piece of paper. What do you want your 2026 to be? You want that if you're a student and you're studying, you want to achieve good marks in a particular subject or in a particular exam. Just write down what you want very clearly, like this is the marks I want to achieve in this exam, and just write it. And just you have to sit and visualize. After making that vision board, you have to sit and visualize that you have achieved that goal, and then how it will be. I'll tell you the entire process, that how you're going to do that. Okay, so now something new which I've learned is, see, last year vision board was like this, very fragmented, like anywhere anything was posted. So this year I attended a vision board making workshop myself, and I learned something new. Okay, so basically, first of all, you write down everything. So number one, you write down clearly what you want to achieve in your 2026. Okay, then you write it in the form of present tense, like it is done, it is already done, how you wish it to be right now. Okay, you have to imagine you are in 2026 and how you wish it to be. Okay, so once you have done that, then you go on Pinterest. Pinterest I specifically say because वहाँ की pictures बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. So just go to Pinterest, find out the pictures which depict your goal. Okay, so like clearly, if you want money in your hand, okay, you just don't want money. You want money, you want cash in your hand. So there should be a picture of someone's hand holding that money. Okay, so that is how you do it. So that is the clarity. Okay, I want money in my hand. This is what I've taken the picture as. Now next is, I wish to be on podcasts, okay, or recording videos for myself. So this is the clear picture I've taken from Pinterest, wherein I've been recording. I'm being recorded by cameras. I'm sitting, okay, and like if me and Rishi, we work together, me and my husband. So I have kept this picture where me and him, we are working together. Okay, so this is the clarity I want, that I want to work with him wherever we go. Like I am looking to buy a new car, so there is, like, I'm imagining it's me and Rishi. So there's a car in background and we are hugging each other. So this is the final moment. I want to live that moment. So that's why I have a picture of this. So this is how you decide. I want to travel, and in travel I don't want the usual travel thing. I want that we are relaxed, we are reading books while we are traveling, we're sitting at a place enjoying the scenery, reading books. That's the kind of life I wish to have. So whatever these kind of goals, you have to write it, and then you have to find the pictures for that. Once you have done that, okay, you need a board. Okay, so this is just a simple cardboard which I've bought from the market. Okay, and I've taken this size. You can take a bigger size, whatever you like. Like my daughter, she loves to make a big vision board, so her vision board is double than this. So you buy this, and then you have to divide it into 9 equal parts. Now this is something very powerful I've learned, because we are using color therapy, and we are going to use the power of positive words and colors together in our vision board this year. Okay, so you divide your vision board in 9 equal parts. Okay, and once that is done, there are different colors for every corner. Okay, so the top right corner is red, the middle one is white and then yellow. Okay, second left is green, third left is blue, below middle is brown, orange, pink and purple. Okay, now these things, they are also related to the kind of vision or to the kind of goal you want to achieve. Okay, so if we are talking about this red box here, we will be pasting the pictures of success, of achievements, like if you want to, like I want to be, maybe I want to get an award, so I'll put a picture here. So like if you want to see success in your business, you want an award for your business, you will put it here. Okay, so those things will come here. If you have a YouTube goal, you will put it here. Okay, then this pink one is for relationship. Okay, so anything related to relationship, like you want to have good relationship with your husband, with your girlfriend, with your family, whatever, so you'll put pictures of them, pictures that depict a happy family or happy relationship in this box. Okay, below this is orange. Okay, now this is for business, wealth and material aspiration. Okay, so now here you will put pictures of money, you'll put picture of wealth. Okay, and then this brown part is for stabilizing, the brown part stabilization. Now what is stabilization? Basically अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका घर जहाँ पे आप रह रहे हैं वो स्टेबलाइज्ड हो जाए, आपकी इनकम स्टेबलाइज हो जाए, है ना, so then put those kind of vision here, things which you want to stabilize in life, which you feel they're going haywire. It can be relationship, it can be your work goals, or it can be your financial goals. If they are going haywire, then you have to stick them here. Okay, this purple or indigo is for the identity and the vision, like how you see yourself. Okay, the center one is for how you see yourself to be. Okay, तो वहाँ पे अपनी पिक्चर्स लगाइए कि आप अपने आप को कैसा देखना चाहते हैं, हेल्दियर देखना चाहते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल देखना चाहते हैं, अपने हेयर कैसे चाहते हैं, स्किन कैसे चाहते हैं, बॉडी कैसे चाहते हैं, सो वो आप यहाँ पे लगाएंगे. ओके, द ग्रीन इज फॉर ग्रोथ एंड लर्निंग. सो एनीथिंग इफ यू वांट टू लर्न, you have to put the picture, like if I want to read books, or if I want to be on podcast, or if I want to be on TEDx, I would put it here because that is my growth and learning. Okay, then here is mindset and confidence. So anywhere if you feel that for particular thing you are not confident, okay, like many people have this fear that making money is difficult. Okay, so you can have something like this written here. Okay, which tells you that making money is very easy. Okay, so here I have already done the painting part of it. I've already made the vision board in this color, and now I'll start sticking these pictures here as per what I've told you. Okay, now if you have not written it, I'll try to share it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that on which color you have to, or we'll be also sharing a YouTube video so you can watch that, in which again this will be repeated, so you'll get all the information. So here, like here I'll be like right now I am wishing to manifest a home, like my own home. Right now we are living in a rental apartment, so I will be putting a picture of home here because I want that to be stabilized. I want a permanent home where I'm living forever. Okay, something like that. So here I'll be putting picture of me, wherein how I see myself, my body, my physical sense, like कि मुझे healthy रहना है, मुझे fit दिखना है, मुझे active रहना है. So those I'll be sticking here. Okay, so this is one part. Now next part. Before sticking the picture, what you have to do? Before sticking the picture, you have to write behind your picture. Now this is something very powerful I learned in this masterclass only, which I attended the workshop. So whatever the picture says, you have to write at the back of the picture in the present tense that thank you for the car, whatever car I'm wishing to, like this is a picture of the car, me and Rishi buying a car. So thank you for this car. I feel blessed and happy, whatever you want to like. Okay, so or what I always teach in my gratitude is whenever you say thank you, you have to add a because to it. Okay, why you're grateful about it. So I'm grateful about this car because we really needed a new car, an automatic one. So thank you so much for fulfilling my desire. So like this. And if I am in a talk show, so I'll be like, thank you so much for fulfilling this desire because I've spoiled my hands. It's okay. So I'll say like, thank you so much for this talk show where I could represent my Anahat Fit Within at a good platform, at a wonderful platform. So if you write gratitude beforehand and then you stick it to this board, can you imagine the power? Because you have something written here, and when things are written, they become permanent. Okay. So I always say write down your goals, be very clear with what you're writing. So now think, if you have this picture and you have written gratitude for this in present tense and you stick it, what else? It was going to manifest very, very fast. So that simple it is. It is very, very scary to, really, I'm telling you, we all wish wonderful things in our life. But when it comes to sit and write, we are scared to hell to sit and write because we are scared अगर पूरा नहीं हुआ तो. Okay? मैं बोल रही हूँ अगर पूरा नहीं हुआ, like my this vision board, okay? सब कुछ पूरा नहीं हुआ है ना? So what? कुछ तो पूरा हुआ. I got in touch with this guy. I traveled with Rishi. I even did my workshops like this. सो कुछ तो पूरा होगा. इफ यू विल नॉट थिंक ओनली, तो आपकी लाइफ बिना ट्रैक के चल रही है. सो एटलीस्ट दिस विजन बोर्ड गिव्स इट अ ट्रैक. आई एम सेइंग 100% उस ट्रैक पे नहीं जाएगी, एटलीस्ट 30%, 40%, एंड ग्रेजुअली मे बी 90%, because I've seen people who have manifested 90% of their vision board, like they have achieved everything what is written here. So please do that. Even if you need any help, I do take one-to-one sessions. You can book my sessions and I can help you write down. I can help you create a vision board in one-to-one if you wish. So that's the kind of work I like to do, wherein I want to help people holistically, naturally, because I truly believe we are so powerful within that we can heal ourselves, we can manifest whatever we wish, only if we align with the power within. Okay, so that's the thing about vision board making. Now what you do after that, how you visualize after that, you have to sit down every morning and every night. Okay, so once, as soon as you get up in the morning, sit down, look at the vision board, imagine that you've fulfilled all the desires, all the pictures in the vision board, you've already achieved everything. And when you sit there, you feel the gratitude for that particular life, and also try to hear the sounds. Like if you have manifested that, what will you hear from your family? What will you hear from your friends? What will you be wearing at that time? How will people, maybe they'll congratulate for you, for certain things to you, or maybe you will smell something beautiful. If you have a very a favorite fragrance, you can keep that near you and you can smell it, that once I've achieved that goal, this is what I will smell like. So do this in the morning as soon as you get up, and do this at night just before sleeping. If you do it every day, and one more thing, if you're not able to do it, okay, if you say I can't, I can help you with this also. Okay, you can just write down what you want to visualize, what you want to manifest, and I can help you make a audio of your vision. Okay, so audio of what you wish to achieve, that will be given, and that audio you can listen every day. So it's that simple. If you cannot do it on your own, hand holding support can be given by me. So you can connect with me for my one-to-one sessions. Those are paid, I'm sorry, but that is how life works. Okay, if I'm giving you my time and energy, see, right now in my free session, if you want to ask anything, it's totally free. Come on, ask, I'm there. But if you're coming to me for one-to-one, it's my time, energy, efforts, and my knowledge I'm sharing, so that's paid. One more thing, just understand, if in a free session I'm giving you this much, the value you will get in my paid session is way above. Okay, that I can promise that, because if you can see my Google reviews, you know how people have benefited from my programs, from my sessions, from my healing sessions, or for my counseling sessions, or my pranayama and dhyan sessions. That I promise that you will have a wonderful experience. Okay, so that's it, what I had to say. If there are any queries, let's make it more interactive. Please ask. If there is anything you want to ask about vision board making, about manifestation, what you have not understood, please, open, everyone, Anyone, any questions? Please let me know from the live also. If you have any questions, just write in the comment. Yes, the stones like pyrite and all helps in manifestation. Of course, see, I totally believe that any support from the universe is welcome. Okay, if you're wearing so I recently am reading this book by Autobiography of a Yogi. Every one of you, please read it. Kalindi knows it very well. She has already read it completely. So in that also, the Guruji says that if you need support, please do take it from the universe in the form of stones, in the form of crystals, in the form of metal, like some people wear kada. So of course you can, but at the same time you have to remember you are more powerful. If you're not aligned with your manifestation, if you are not taking steps towards your manifestation, or if you're not believing in that manifestation, then it won't happen. Like आपने वो पायराइट पहन भी लिया या रख भी लिया या यूज भी कर लिया और फिर भी आप नेगेटिव सोच रहे हो, तो it won't help. But if you have that faith, that undivided, I would say कि बिल्कुल उसमें कोई भी शक नहीं है, आपको ज़रा सा भी डाउटफुल नहीं है, डाउट नहीं है, तो of course this will help. We can keep vision board. Hello Gurpreet. Yeah, where we can keep vision board. So you have to keep your vision board at a place where you can see it more often. Like what I do usually is in front of my bed. Okay, so if I'm as soon as I get up in the morning, the wall in front of me, that is where I keep my vision board, so that I can see it more often. आते जाते भी मैं देखती रहूँ उसको, और मैं जब सुबह उठूँ तो सबसे पहली चीज़ वही देखूँ, रात को जब सोऊँ तो सबसे आखिरी चीज़ वही देखूँ. So that's the way. And I, in this workshop which I attended, they also said that keep it in east or north and all those, but I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेलिंग हो जाएगा और पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो उसको हम जाने देते हैं. I would always say keep it at a place where you see it more often, you visualize more often, so that your faith becomes more stronger on your vision board. Anything else? I'm liking this. Please make it interactive. Anyone, please ask questions. Kalindi, you have something to ask?
I'm sorry, my mic was.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, can you just repeat the colors of 9?
Yes, yes, yes. And see, here it is. Okay. So red at the right side top corner, pink here, orange here, नीचे brown, इधर silver, green.
Maybe it is a self camera, so we will see reverse side of it.
So I'm saying it's right side. That's why I'm saying right side top corner, वहाँ से red है. उसके बाद उसके नीचे pink. Right side red corner के नीचे pink, pink के नीचे orange. Okay? अब हम red के left side आ जाएंगे, तो center में या तो आप white रख सकते हैं या gold. उसके बाद गोल्ड के बाजू में येलो, गोल्ड के नीचे ब्लू या इंडिगो या पर्पल. ओके, blue is in center. It is indigo basically. I could not find exact indigo color, so I have used blue. And brown, silver और light blue. अगर silver नहीं है तो sky blue भी चलेगा. And green and yellow. So left side corner is yellow, right side top corner is red.
Now I know red is for success, and pink is gold is for relationships.
Pink is for relationship.
Pink is for relationship.
Yeah, gold is for purpose, goals. What goals you want to achieve? What is the purpose of your life? That is for gold.
And blue is for yourself.
This is your identification, how you want to see yourself.
Now yellow is for?
Yellow is for mindset, confidence. Green is for growth and learning, if you want to learn something. And this silver is for healing, to release emotion, emotional balance. if
Well, it's for healing.
for healing, if you want to release something, like if you want like I would say कि आपका कोई किसी का कोई डिजीज है, किसी की कोई मे बी समवन इज लुकिंग टू फैट है और पतला होना है, तो व्हाट यू वांट टू लुक लाइक वैसा भी आप यहाँ पे इमोशनल बैलेंस के लिए है ये. सो even you can put some quotes here, no? If you feel that like I said that making money is easy, that can be put here also. It will always depend on person to person कि आपका क्या है, like it's happening, it's a quote. If you can just put it here, so it will be like कि जो आप चाहते थे वो हो रहा है और आपके doubts clear हो रहे हैं.
And orange is for wealth and money.
Orange is for materialistic aspirations. So anything materialistic like the car I said, or watches or purses or whatever you want to have.
Where we can write the spiritual goals?
So spiritual goal, I would say you can go in your identity and vision and purpose. Purpose यानी कि आप गोल्ड वाले में भी लिख सकते हो और आप इसमें भी लिख सकते हो. For your spiritual goals, what is the purpose? Because here it's the purpose and goals. तो अगर spiritual goals है या यहाँ आएंगे या identity पे आएंगे.
गोल्ड में या ब्लू इंडिगो में?
Yes, gold या blue indigo. Okay, I have some questions. Okay, where can we? Well, thank you so much, Gurpreet. Okay, Neha, can we set this as a phone wallpaper? Yes, you can, and if you're using your phone too much. But what I have noticed is that after few days, it becomes like a monotonous thing, and we forget to pay attention to it. So if you are not that kind of person, then you can keep it as a wallpaper, and then you can visualize this using on the phone. But I always say that making a physical one is what brings in that अभी कुछ थोड़ा तो एफर्ट लेना चाहिए ना अपनी, अगर हमारी कुछ डिज़ायर्स हैं उसके लिए हम उसको भी शॉर्टकट में अपने इसमें सॉफ्टवेयर में बना के रख देंगे, तो देन फिर वो सॉफ्टवेयर में ही बनेगा. फिर अगर आपको उसको फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में चाहिए तो फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में थोड़े एफर्ट्स लो. दैट्स वाई दिस विजन बोर्ड मेकिंग. Okay, so take those effort, take out time, go find that picture. That will boost you, that will encourage you to go and work towards your goals. If you will just ऐसे तो पिक्चर ढूंढ के विजन बोर्ड बनाना तो बहुत आसान है. आज की डेट में तो आप आराम से कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम योर फोन, बट देन यू हैव नॉट पुट इन एनी इमोशंस, यू हैव नॉट पुट इन एनी एफर्ट्स, तो क्या ही आप मैनिफेस्ट कर लोगे. So, yeah, sure, Gurpreet, I will give it. Are you there in my group in Anahat Fitter Within? If not, please join that because I'll be sharing it there only, nowhere else. Or either you'll have to wait for the YouTube video to come. So, there it will be. Yes. Okay, great. Gurpreet is there in the group. So, that's all for vision board making. I hope you all learned. Thank you for joining, and keep manifesting, keep visualizing, create wonderful goals for 2026 and have a wonderful 2026 ahead. All the best. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for joining.